Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a prep the pantry for the pantry preps video. So if you've been following me for any length of time, you know that the kids and I have started our prepper journey. I coupon. Let me be clear on what I do. I coupon, and when you coupon, you just end up with a lot of things. In addition to that, I have been working towards a 3 to 6 month pantry to make sure that I have all of the things that I need. And so far, this is just my inside pantry, but the kids and I are doing very well with our inside things, but we're running out of space. So those cookies right there, yep, those are for Friday night because we're having some friends over. That's for the friends. That is not for mom because I don't eat stuff like that. Also the same with these little barbecue chippy things. Those are for the friends. I won't eat any of that, but not all of my friends are keto. So anywho, the reason that I am having to redo some stuff is because this is the end of this cabinet space. So what I'm going to do is rearrange some things in my baking cabinet. And at the top of my baking cabinet up here, I have some things that can be moved around and shifted. And I'm also going to rearrange this one here and shift some things. And we're going to put some stuff up here on that second shelf up there to make sure that we can have everything that we need. And so that we can still continue to put more things there. Also in this pantry, the kids took them out because I had a lot more sauces and stuff that were down here on this shelf. And I wanted to make sure that they went out to the garage, which they did. And so that's good. So we have some growing room on the shelf, but I want to make sure that I am able to not have this whole conglomeration of things. So I am going to put some stuff over in this baking cabinet. So we just thought you guys might want to come along, and it's not going to take us very long. We do have some more preps that we need to put up. But in the meantime, I'm just going to go ahead and do some stuff up here in this cabinet. And we just thought you guys want to come along with us.
So do the thing I was doing with the pan fry?
Yeah.
Put the water in it?
But let the water run out and then put some what's your name.
Oh yes, Mom. Where is your tiny bag?
It was sitting on the side. And this counter needs wiping off.
I'll put one in the garage. You can build that.
Anything that can be gotten into, like plastic bags, will stay inside of the house.
Yeah. And then with cans or jars.
Cans, jars, all those can go out. But put the dates on them so we won't be
Eating too.
right. Because why? Why, friend? There's like nothing in here. Just fill it up. Fill me up, God. Fill me up, God. Fill me up. Come on, man.
You want to keep this on, Mom?
What is it?
Spreadable butter.
Yes.
Did you get
We
a
don't
coupon
have
for
that.
this?
No, I didn't. It was from Aldi.
We don't have it.
Have what?
That's what you said. We don't have it.
Have what?
Butter.
Yeah, we did not spreadable butter for the bread. We have regular butter.
Well, we don't have it thawed out, really. It's more like what you're going for.
Why, friend?
Like what, Mom? Well, because it's been in the freezer. You did a really good job out there.
Why is this here?
What is it?
Steven, if you want to use it, then take it there and dump it in, please. Can you let me live my best life, my whole best life?
Let's let her live her whole best life. As best as her life can be.
Please, just let me do it. Okay, that's done. All of that is gone.
Coconut oil. Apparently unrefined.
Okay, whose peanut butter is whose?
I feel like those are all yours.
Both of these are mom's?
And that's the salted peanut butter, and that's the cream peanut butter.
Okay, this has salt. Okay, I'll have that. This is a little bit. Let's find something she can have, like her bone or something, and just give her that little tiny because it's just a little tiny bit in there. If it was a lot, that would be very lovely, but it's not a lot.
Not a lot of it. Where do you want coconut oil?
Coconut oil can go over here
Well,
because normally they asking for coconut oil of some kind in here.
Who does?
The recipe.
Oh.
But I need to get more than this. I need to get more than just the one. But I got let me see.
Bread. Always save the best.
Put what's your name? Dates.
Dates on them. Oh, I need to put the dates on the thing.
Okay.
Alright,
Anything else? Okay, this can go
I really want to find something to do with those.
with what?
Those.
Make fat bombs.
Right. We need to find a good
Or
fat.
broth, if we do broth again. This can go. That's gonna go over there somewhere. I'll find a place for it, but.
Yeah, we have some room up here in this cabinet and that cabinet.
Okay, so I
No,
need to
that
see
cabinet.
what, I need a measuring thing. The measure stick, measure tape.
And I need a pin.
This is flour and flour. That is not flour.
Oh, and here's your book.
What's on the ground?
Got that on something.
Did I get my measuring tape?
Yep, it's love. The story of a southern and wife and an unlikely friendship.
The what?
Unlikely friendship. Yes. Is that real?
Oh, that was for mom. I forgot.
I decided to get all my books, so I decided which one I was more interested in. I'm doing Maggie's Dare.
Y'all want lemon cake or chocolate cake?
Lemon. Just because we have to cake last time.
Yeah, I'm really going more for the lemon.
If we make a lemon glaze though, but not like too lemony, because I have like to do lime glaze. Yeah, do lemon.
Okay, I'm moving that. All right, let me just measure here. Nine inches. So I have to put something up here that's 9 inches.
What do you got for 9 inches?
Not a clue, but I'm hoping some of those ball jars.
Help me work up some money to buy the rest of that series. And buy the next series. And the next series. And the next one. And the next one.
That's right.
There's like 5 of them.
Can't see.
You can't see. Okay, these are both marinating.
Those are all rice.
These are eggs.
Okay, these are oats.
Where are we gonna put the eggs? Eggs.
Just find a spot for them right now.
Yeah.
I think there's also some additional oats in here.
What day told me to? What's the next Monday? Next Thursday.
Next Thursday is the 11th. Nope, 10th. I know it's that because I wanted to get my hair done next Friday. But I don't think I'm going to do it. So, 9/10, 9/11, 10/20. Not a good fit. It would work much better. Okay, Jackson, don't you like those things where you write out the dates and it adds up? Or it's like times something? So for us, it's 20.
Okay, that's everything up there.
9
But I
plus
do have a few more
about 456.
oatmeals. Y'all, I got some more oatmeal.
Jackson, yeah, one more time.
Oh, sorry, sister.
Until it's 2056.
Okay, 4.
I'm cooking up.
Hey, this flour should be up there
Yeah.
with that other.
These just have to go to the garage.
Her food, make sure we can go ahead and get her food moved in. I think she has
Some room.
some room.
Okay.
put that solar granola up here.
Why did it say 9:14?
9/14, that's the date that you need to use it by. Unless you freeze it. So we can freeze it and it'll be totally perfect with no problem. Missing my sugar there.
Wait, why did you get limited? Why have you limited green beans?
Because that's just how. This is going out to the garage. That's going to the garage. I'm gonna put them out. Hand me that bucket right there.
Whoa, dry. Most likely will dry.
Look, fit it.
Yeah, that's it.
Alrighty, you guys, so there it is. That part up there is much better, still cleaned out. We have some holes in here where we can actually put some stuff. Remember, these two things are gonna be for Friday night, so they'll be coming out. We moved some things into the garage. This is just our mini condiment area. But we have a couple more condiments over here too. Move those all over. So there we go with that. Jackson, will you get those waters and put them up here? These are the waters I got from Harris Teeter the other day. And we'll just get those moved up there.
The water.
Those two down there at the bottom. Of course, I had a ton, but the biggest issue you have when you coupon are your children, because they want to come in here and eat everything. Just eat every single solitary thing. Okay, so that's done. Then up here in this cabinet, we just made sure we had everything that needed to be there. And then we put all of our ball jars up here. So all of our oatmeal and grits, we moved our solar granola and our pancakes, because this is a baking cabinet. Everything in there is for baking of some kind, except the rice, which is right up there. I don't have a lot of rice, but we don't eat a lot of rice. Again, if we need to have rice, I'll go out and buy rice in big bulk. That will get us through, but this should be good for right now. And then in this cabinet above the microwave, I just put our mixer there and then the pieces that go to our KitchenAid. So there that is. I'm gonna take you guys outside. So we're gonna walk outside to the garage and kind of see what that storage space is looking like, because we wanna make sure that we know what everything is. Let's see. Okay, all right, here we are. Those can go in the house. Take those inside, babe. All right, I'll turn you around. So up there we have toilet paper and paper towels. That is not hoarding. That's buying something every time you go or every other time you go. Because we used to buy toilet paper every week. And then we started buying the bigger ones. So we don't have to buy it every week. But right now, we are buying something every time we go or every other time or every second time. Just so we have enough. Because I'm telling y'all, when you get into a situation where you can't find toilet paper, it's just not my fave. And I don't want to do it again. All right. Then a friend of mine did find Clorox wipes. And she brought us, she got her one and she got us one. This came from Costco. So she called, she said, Shakema, I found wipes. And so that's what that was. That's toilet paper. More toilet paper here. This is what I just got from Aldi. But again, they did have limits on stuff. So I'm going to get the kit. Alon, come please. Okay, we have soap, hand soap. Refills, hand soap. Will you take those out and put it there so we can fit this one in snugly?
Love snuggle.
And then at the bottom we have more laundry stuff. Then over here on this side of the garage, we have now a very nice stock of items that go all the way down until we get to laundry soaps. So we're doing really well. I'm very pleased and proud of what the kids and I have been able to accomplish. But again, we're still just, it's a work in progress. It's every day trying to find what we can find. How much money do we have? What can we spend? Those types of things. So there it is, you guys. Just wanted to show you an update on the pantry. Definitely wanted to get some of that other stuff moved. And very soon, my sister will be coming to get all of her things. And then the kids and I will be able to have more shelves because I can condense more stuff. So, yeah, that's how we're living at the moment. And it's working out so far. Although, my children have salsa and spaghetti sauce together. My child.
Guess who's going to be the great reorganizer?
I'm thinking it's you. I'm hopeful. Thank you, Miss Reorganizer. We appreciate. And then we also have bottled waters, which you do not see. But we have waters. I still need to get probably about 3 more or 4 more cases of water just for the next couple of weeks. I do try to get water every time I go. Sometimes I can fit it in my budget. Other times I cannot. But anywho, there it is, you guys. Just wanted to update you all. Move that stuff definitely for sure. The kids and I are still working on it. There's some things in here. Jackson and I are home on Saturday. Sister has to work. But there's some stuff in here. We're going to do a Goodwill run. So make sure we get everything that needs to go to the Goodwill. Jackson and I are going to do a Goodwill run so we can clean off some more of these shelves so we can have more space for putting things up. We're also going to be working in our garden on Saturday. So a couple of things we got coming up. And we just appreciate you guys who are along with us for the journey. So thank you all so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye now.